Hey, I'm Nate, and this is JoJo.
Hi.
We are the Car Bros. Today we have a 2017 and 18 Hockey MVP Hobby box. It comes with 20 packs of cards, and I'm gonna let JoJo get right into this. So JoJo, let me just open up this part, and
Okay.
then you open up the box.
Okay. So, Jonathan, Victor, Nezem, Kari. Oh, I
What'd you
have
get?
one. I've got one of these before.
Level 1 Access Credentials card. Jaden Schwartz.
Why does it have that
Nice.
thing on it?
A barcode. I don't know what that barcode's about. Probably doesn't work, but it's probably just part of the design of the card.
Cool. I already have one of these, but I don't think I have this exact character. That's cool. Let's sleeve this one up.
Sure, just set that to the side and I'll stick a sleeve on it.
All right. Matt Murray, Mark Stone, TJ Oshie. That's the last one.
All right.
All right.
There you go. That pack
Next.
accidentally, I got a little bit carried away on that
Oh
one.
no, accidentally opened.
But I haven't seen any of the cards inside.
All right. So Cam Fuller, Corey Crawford. Wait, is there something shiny? Oh yeah, there is. I'm gonna go backwards now because I don't want to show the
There's something
shiny
in there,
card.
eh? There's a nice card in there,
Yeah.
is there?
Yeah, Gabriel Landskog, James Neal. Oh! Whoa!
Oh, Ryan Nugent
Oh!
Hopkins.
I accidentally went for the top.
That's one of those red script cards,
Whoa!
Joe.
Ah!
And you dropped it.
I killed it. I killed the card. Oh no.
It.
No.
It's all
No.
right. It actually landed on a nice soft piece of carbon,
Oh,
so we're good.
cool.
And Ryan Nugent Hopkins. What a cool looking card, Joe.
Yeah.
All right, my man. I'll stick that one in the
Nice.
sleeve too. All right, I'll
Okay.
sleeve that for you as well.
Yeah. Patrick Merlou. France Nelson. Paul. All right.
Those ones are all
pack.
started for you.
Thank you. What if we get another one in this?
Oh man, that'd be great.
Yeah. Pulling up the cards. It's not pulling. Getting. There we go. So, Travis, Zach Chack, Jason, Max. Is there something shiny again? Jerome. Oh! Wow.
It's another silver script.
Yep. Matt's Zuccarello.
Zuccarello.
Sleeve this one up too.
Sure, just put the sleeve pile right there.
Alexander Steen. Kyle. Andre for the last one. Alright, next pack. Open up. Phil Kessel.
Kessel.
Zach
Zach
Wierenski.
Wierenski.
Wait, what was that? Oh. Philip. Henrik. Ooh, another one.
Another silver script, Joe.
Chris Letang.
Latang. Chris Latang.
Nice.
Silver scripts. Oh, nice, man. He's a good player.
Yeah.
Nice card.
Mhm.
All right, let's leave that one up.
Andrew Shaw. Jake Allen. Alex. All right. Oh wait, it's already opened. Keep on
Well,
forgetting we
it's started.
previously opened. Yeah,
it's
previously.
started.
There we go. Adam. Michael. Rickard. Raquel. Wait, is there something on the back of this? Oh,
No,
yeah.
It's the what do you call that? The puzzle piece?
The puzzle piece one, yeah.
Yeah, awesome.
Nice. Just leave that one up
Sure, I
because, yeah. And Nino. Mitch Marner.
Mitch Marner.
I always like to sleeve up Mitch Marner, even if it's just a base card.
Sure.
So
No,
let's see that one up too.
I will.
Jimmy.
We like Mitch Marner.
Pekka Ryan. Alright. Next pack. Here we go. GT Miller, Mikko Koivu, Shane, Alex Ovechkin, Dustin, Jake, Boharvat, Bryden as the last card. Next pack. This one was like a much easier pack to open. Tanner, Sam, Jack Eckel. Ooh, another silver script.
Go.
Michael Granlund.
Granlund. All right.
Nice.
Set that off to the side for me so I can
Yeah.
put a sleeve on for you.
Thomas, Micah, Nick, Letty, and Anthony.
Sleeve on there.
Alright. Tyson Berry, Carl Soderberg, Victor Hedman, John Tavares. Ooh, another silver script. Derek Stephen.
A silver script.
Nice.
Yeah, I've been getting lots of those, Joe.
Yeah. Sleeve that. Roman Josie. Jonathan Toews. Shane as the last card for that pack. Okay, next pack. Alright, come on. There. Charlie Cole. Richard. Patrick Kane. Sidney Crosby. There's two good characters. Oh, what's on the back of this? Ooh. Sidney
Crosby checklist.
Patrick Kane. Henrik. Brad
Zetterberg.
Martian. Sidney Crosby.
You want me to sleeve that one?
Patrick. Yes, please. We
All
also
right.
like Sidney Crosby. And
Yes,
we also like
do.
Patrick Kane.
Yes, we do. You want me to sleeve that guy too?
Yes, yes, please.
All right.
Sergey, Corey, and Adam Larson. Next pack. All right. Patrice, Brian Rust, Drew Doughty. Ooh, another one!
Oh, it's a Patrick
Over-
Kane too, JoJo.
Oh, Patrick Kane!
Oh,
Yes!
It's another
All right,
one of those
please
red
don't drop it
scripts.
this time.
Yeah, don't throw this one on the ground. How about that?
Yeah, we like Patrick Kane.
Nice.
Don't touch the dog.
Dun, dun, dun. Nice card. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, they look so cool.
Nice, man.
That's a purple script.
I would say that looks like the red script. It could be the purple, but I would say it's red because
Yeah.
it's got the red signature.
Didn't you
on
get
it.
the blue script last time?
I got a purple one
Phil?
in the last box out of 25,
Ryan O'Reilly?
right? It was
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah. Jacob for the last card. All right. Oh. There we go. Oh yeah. David. Artem. Curse. Another one.
Another
Jack
level 1
Eckel.
access.
Jack Eckel.
A
NHL.
jacket. Oh, nice. He's a good player too. Great.
Yeah, sleeve this one up too.
Yes, all right. Put it in the sleeve section. Right here. Just put them on top of here now.
All right,
Put a
Andrew
sleeve on it.
Ladd, Gustav, and oh wait, that's not the last one. Corey Perry, and Alec. All right, next pack. Sam, Brad Sutter, Mike Hoffman, Henrik, Millen. Oh wait, there's something on the back.
Oh, puzzle piece, bud.
Let's put that for the sleeve.
Yep.
John Carlson, Kevin for the last card. That pack. I can't even open this one. There you go. Cam Ward, Ryan Strum, Braden Holtby, William Nylander. Another one!
Nylander, and another red
What?
script, JoJo.
Seth Jones.
Seth Jones. All right.
What? 3!
All right. Those are some great cards, man.
Alright, trying not to touch the top of that.
Yeah, no. Take care of that one. I'm going to stick that one
Wow.
right in the sleeve.
Like, how many are we
Seth
getting?
Jones.
So that one looks like purple. That one kind
This
of looks
one
blue.
I'm going to say is also, it's
Red?
a red script.
Red? Yeah.
I say it is. The ones that aren't your normal red script would have a number on it somewhere.
Oh, okay. Roberto, Nick, Scene. There we go. How many packs are left? 1, 2,
Quite a few
3,
still.
4, 5, 6.
All right, keep going.
There may be a
Doing
little
well.
more.
You're doing well.
There we go. Alexander, Josh Bailey, Dylan Larkin, Joe Pavelski. What? Another one!
You're kidding me. You're kidding me. No way. Good job, man. Good
Wow.
job.
This is a nice
All right.
card.
Pass that to me, and I will sleeve that one up as well as.
Okay.
My goodness.
Is that our third one or fourth? It's our fourth one.
Yeah, it's your fourth one, man.
Out of... Oh my gosh, this is like a very good hobby box.
I gotta say, yeah, you're getting lots of nice ones out of this one.
Braden Sad? Does that say Braden Sad?
Yep.
Brian Little. Martin. Oh wait, why am I putting him
It's
this
okay.
side?
I'll take care of it.
And Martin Jones. There we go. There should be like 5 packs left. Now. Do you want to open the rest?
Oh, sure. I'll open some up. Why not?
Okay.
Why not?
Joe Thornton, Kelvin Picard, Shea Weber, Carl Soderberg. Oh wait, there's something on the back of this.
It's another one of those
Yep.
puzzle back pieces.
And another
level 2 access this
level
time.
2.
Yeah, cool. Now, I don't know 100%, but I think level 1 is a better than level 2.
Oh.
I think they have a level 3 as well.
Alright, putting it over there.
But I'm going to add it to the level 1 credentials that we've already pulled.
And Trevin. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly 5 packs.
5.
For
All
you.
right. You want to stick that one in the sleeve then for me, Joe?
Sure.
Okay. And I'm going to open up these last 5 packs. Here we go. All right. I can't believe the card you've already pulled, Joe.
Yeah.
Oh, it's been good.
There's 5 more packs left.
Oh, a 7. All right. So we got a Vincent. We got a Callie. A Derek. A Brock Bozer rookie card, JoJo.
Nice. Let's
Yeah.
sleeve that one up.
All right, sleeve that one up. Pass that one to you. And then look what we got right after.
Wow.
A Henrik Zetterberg
Pull up.
silver
one pull
script
after
card.
another.
That's also fantastic.
Yeah.
So we'll pass that one to you. Wayne Simmons. John Gibson. And Daniel Seddon.
That's a nice
So,
pack.
yeah, That was
What
good.
about if we get another one of those red scripts? Or a purple script?
Wouldn't that be something, eh?
Yeah.
To get that many in one box. Erasmus. Frederick Anderson.
Anderson.
It's our favorite team's goalie.
Yep.
And Nick. And Victor. Something's coming up
there's
here. What
something
is
on the back of
this? Something on the back of this one?
Yeah.
Oh, it is a puzzle piece. It's a puzzle back piece. So I'm going to pass that one to you. Sleeve that one. Dennis, Jaden Schwartz.
That was a rookie. You just passed a rookie.
Did I just throw the rookie down?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, I did. It is a rookie card. So here, let me pass that one to you as well.
All right.
Sean and Nicholas Backstrom. And Jaden Schwartz. And
This is
third
like
last
a
pack.
very good hobby box.
No, it's great. It's
Very
yeah,
good.
I like the MVP. They don't have a lot of signatures and jerseys and stuff that we normally like to pull, but they do have some really nice cards.
Yeah, nice looking.
Yeah,
cards.
it's true. And you know what? The MVP isn't overly expensive, so it's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got a Victor. We got a Ryan Getzlaff. A Ryan again.
Rookie.
Here's a rookie card of Charlie McVoy, which is, we just pulled the Charlie McVoy from an MVP the other day. This one is 17-18. So JoJo,
Yep.
Charlie McVoy is an excellent player.
Oh yeah, he's pretty good.
Yeah, I know he is. And this is his rookie card. So I'm going to
Rookie
imagine
card?
that there's probably some value in this one.
Oh yeah.
Put a sleeve and be careful with that one.
Yep.
Sweet. Adam. Look at this, Joe. Look what was right afterwards.
Oh my god.
Another silver script.
Wow.
All right. This
Well,
is
good thing I
this is
put
a
up
fun
two
hobby
sleeves.
box. I'm gonna pass that one to you.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a good thing we just got a ton of sleeves.
Yeah. We got like more than 200 sleeves.
Evangeline, Malkin, and Tyler Bozak,
Don't think we have that.
Tuukka
card.
Rask. You don't think we have who?
Tyler Bozak.
Oh, you mean like their signature card? No, I do not.
No, like the regular card. The base.
Oh, no. Actually, I don't. I don't have any of his cards except you do now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just don't remember anyone like talking about him or
No,
getting him.
he's okay. He's not like a top player, but he's all right.
Yeah.
Alex, Mark, Cardano, Mikael Backlund. Oh, JoJo. Wait, there's a rookie. Who do you got? A Josh Ho-Sang. All right, so I'll pass that one to you.
Oh!
And JoJo, guess what we got?
We got
Another
5
silver
of them.
script. Sorry, not a silver. This is a red script.
Red script.
A Kyle Turris.
Like what? We don't have.
Dun dun dun. Awesome. Joe, you happy with this one?
Yes.
Evander Kane. And Mark. And the Sam. Last card of the hobby box. All right. Last card. Last pack, I mean.
Yeah, last pack.
Last pack. Tori. Oh, there's something in here, JoJo. There's something in
Oh
here.
my-
You,
Oh.
you can see
Alright, save
the
that for
gold.
last.
You can see the gold.
Yeah.
All right. A Mike Smith.
So when you get to the last card, leave it there and go through the
A
back.
Jordan Stahl. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go to the back now. A Ryan Hartman. Oh, look at that, Joe. Look.
Ooh.
I'm gonna say that's a numbered one. A David Pasternak. What do we got behind here? We got an Andres Lee. No, there's two
two.
nice cards in this one. Oh, there is. Okay, that one right there is a credentials card.
Let's get that.
We want to do that one first?
Yeah, sit on first.
It's a penguin.
Penguins. Sydney,
Okay.
Sydney,
Is it
Sydney?
Sydney? No, it's not, is it? Oh my God! It's a Sidney
Sidney
Crosby. Level 1, JoJo.
Yeah.
Get out of town. Yes.
All right, we gotta sleeve that one up.
JoJo, do you like that one?
Yes.
Can I have this one?
No.
All right. Good job. Yes, the Sidney Crosby credentials. Level 1 VIP. Carefully
will.
sleeve that one, please. All right, and here's the last one, Joe. You ready for this?
Yes.
Dun 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 dun.
Is it Toronto? Oh no, it's not.
No, it's New York Rangers. Who do we got? It's a red script.
Red.
Another one, JoJo. My goodness. A Derek Steffen.
Ooh, oh yeah.
All right.
We've gotten. Is that our 6th one?
That one, I don't know. Let's count them.
Yeah, we have to.
That's ridiculous. All right, here. Sleeve that one for me, and let me just grab. Let me just grab a few of these.
Okay.
Sure. Come with me. So we got a level 1 VIP, Sydney, Jaden Schwartz, Jack Echo, and you know what? These guys are all great. So I'm super excited about the Sidney Crosby though. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Sidney Crosby.
JoJo's got a ridiculous amount of silver scripts in this one too. Well, that's not silver, but this one silver script. My goodness, Joe. My goodness. Look at all the cards you get to add to your collection. Chris Letang. And we got a Derek Steppen. And we got a Mikael Granlund. And we got what else do we got here, man? Oh my goodness. There's so many.
So much.
So many. You did well. You did well.
Yeah.
Well, we got a level 2 access as well. Mike Hoffman. And we got a bunch of rookie cards.
Did you do the checklist one?
And we got the Sidney Crosby checklist. Alright, man. You did good.
And then,
You did good.
Okay, before
Got all
I
these
show you how
rookies.
much of the red scripts we've got,
Alright,
comment
JoJo.
down below how much we've got.
Yeah, did you count how many? If you did, send a comment in there. JoJo, okay, you go ahead and show everybody how
Alright.
many of these red scripts you got.
We have 1, Derek, 2, Kyle, 3, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, 4, Patrick Kane,
Patrick Kane, that's exciting.
5, Seth Jones, 6,
Evangie. Oh my goodness. Look at them all.
We have 6.
Also some nice looking cards, aren't they, Joe?
Yes.
I really like the look of them.
This one looks. They all look different.
Not
like
only
they're
are they like a die cut, but they also have
purple,
texture. Plus, they
pink,
also have all kinds of colors to them.
blue.
And plus, they have their
gold,
signature on
green.
top as well. Like it's a print, but it still looks really good.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well, I gotta say, are you happy with this hobby box?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. I think this was a really good one. So, all right. Well, thank you so much for watching. We do this every single Monday. We release hockey pack opening videos at 6:00 p.m. So if you want to catch them all, you gotta subscribe, and also if you would, please like and leave some comments. And we love comments. We love talking with people, and we are open to trades as well. People want to do some trades. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.